So you can see Red is quite intrigued by the snow. He had a little look at snow yesterday, but it wasn't a lot. And today he's just checking out what it is that's falling from the sky. What is it, Red? What can you see? So it's one of the first times ever that he's seen snow. He likes to sit on this perch here and have a little look outside. And I don't think the birds are really used to snow, because these particular ones originate from India. It's an Alexandrine. You can hear noise in the back, that's Zach running around. Say hi, Zach.
Hi.
And there you go, guys. Yeah, but you thought you'd never see this, a parrot in the snow. Red sack is where it's at. Don't forget to like and subscribe.